If you've ever accidentally deleted a task in Asana and wondered if it's gone for good, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted tasks and restore them back into your workflow. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to find any erased tasks and bring them back so you can stay organized and never lose important information. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the project where your task was deleted. Think of this like retracing your steps. If you deleted the task from a particular project, that's where Asana keeps track of those changes. So, open up Asana and go to the correct project. If you're not sure which project it was, it might be worth checking the ones you work on most frequently, or any project where you remember deleting something recently. Once you're in the right project, direct your attention to the search bar. You'll usually spot this at the top right corner of your screen. It might say, "Search this view," or it could be just a little magnifying glass icon. Click on that to open up the search options. Now, to unlock the full search capabilities, look for More Options, which may appear as 3 dots or an extra menu. What we want here is Advanced Search. Click that, and Asana will open up a much more detailed search window. Advanced Search is like the spotlight for lost items. It lets you get really specific about what you're looking for. Next, in this Advanced Search window, you're going to set up a filter to look specifically for deleted tasks. There's a drop-down menu called Status. This is the key. Click on it. And among the usual choices like Incomplete or Completed, you'll see an option called Deleted. Select Deleted because this tells Asana to only show you tasks that have been erased from the project, not the ones that are active or finished. Once you've set that filter, go ahead and click Search. Just a gentle heads up. If you have a big project or a lot of deleted items, this search might take a moment to load. Now, you should see a list of all tasks that have been deleted from this specific project. Don't worry if you see more than just the one you want to recover. Asana displays all deleted tasks that match your filter, so you can scan through and find the exact one you're after. Maybe the title jogs your memory, or perhaps you recognize it by the assignee or due date. When you've located the task you need, look for an Undelete option next to it. This is usually a simple link or button. Click Undelete, and just like that, Asana will restore the task to your project, almost like magic. It's now ready for you to continue working, assign it, or update it as needed. And that's it. Recovering deleted tasks in Asana is really just a matter of searching smartly and knowing where to look. If you ever feel uncertain, just remember, most actions in Asana can be reversed. So you're never truly stuck if you make a mistake. I hope this tutorial helped you breathe a little easier knowing your work isn't lost. If you found the video useful, hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.